Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Distiller. This powerful application efficiently converts PostScript files into high-quality, standardized PDF documents, ensuring consistent rendering across different platforms. It is a crucial tool for anyone working with print production, publishing, or creating reliable digital assets. Understanding its core function helps you prepare documents precisely for various uses, from web distribution to commercial printing. Setting up your conversion parameters is the next vital step. Navigate to the Job Options menu, where you will find a range of predefined settings. You might choose press quality for a high-resolution, print-ready document, or perhaps smallest file size for efficient web distribution. For more specific needs, create custom options to fine-tune elements such as image resolution or font embedding, ensuring your PDF meets exact requirements. Once your job options are configured, converting your files is straightforward. Simply drag and drop your PostScript files directly into the main Distiller window. You can also go to the File menu and select Open to browse and choose your files. Distiller processes them automatically, converting each file into a PDF based on the settings you selected, showing its progress throughout the operation. The new PDF will appear in the original files folder. To ensure excellent results, always take a moment to review your newly created PDF files. This check verifies that the fonts, images, and layout are exactly as intended, preventing potential errors. For efficiency, consider setting up watched folders so Distiller automatically converts any PostScript files placed within them. Remember, a high-quality PostScript input file is crucial for generating a perfectly rendered PDF document every time you use Distiller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.